pleased to say that both parties in Congress are already hard at work on this plan, and I hope to sign it into law in less. Now, this recovery plan moves to the scale and scope. Congress has passed my economic recovery plan, an ambitious plan at a time we badly. Earlier this week, I signed into law the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, the most sweeping economic recovery plan in history, to prevent foreclosures for as many as 4 million homeowners and lower interest rates and lift home values for millions more. We are implementing a plan to allow lenders to work with borrowers to refinance or restructure their mortgage. And that means if you like the plan you have, you can keep it. If you like your plan and your doctor, you can keep them. The only changes that you'll see are lower costs and better health care. Others believed that the recovery plan should have been even larger, and they're already calling for a second recovery plan. But that's why any plan I sign must include an insurance exchange, a one-stop shopping marketplace where you can compare the benefits, costs, and track records of a variety of plans, including a public option to increase competition and keep insurance companies honest, and choose what's best for your family. And if you like your health care plan, you can keep your health care plan. No matter what you've heard, if you like your doctor or health care plan, you can keep it. If you don't have insurance, those who prefer their private insurers would be under no obligation to shift to a public plan. The insurance companies and their allies don't like this idea. Across the country, that means improving coordination among different agencies, modernizing our emergency communications, and helping families plan for a crisis. Half of America's workforce doesn't have access to a retirement plan at work. And first of all, if you are among the hundreds of millions of Americans who already have insurance through your job or Medicare or Medicaid or the VA, nothing in my plan will require you or your employer to change the coverage or the doctor you have. In addition, our health reform plan will allow small businesses to buy insurance for their employees through an insurance exchange, which may offer better coverage at lower costs, and will provide tax credits for those that choose to do so. It's also a place where the risk of a nuclear arms race threatens our security, and where extremists plan attacks on American soil. Health insurance plan means for you. And it called for a new level of transparency so that patients